The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate the main functions that branches will use PCS Digital for. It'll go through registering and logging on, searching for members, transferring members, managing activists, accessing reports, and using motions online. Reports, member transfers and activist transfers will only be accessible to branch officers, chair, secretary, organiser and treasurer. Log in to PCS Digital via one of the two links in the menus at the top of the screen. You can click through to log in, reset your password or register to use PCS Digital for the first time. If you're registering for the first time, you'll need to provide 3 bits of information: your surname, your new PCS membership number which starts with the letter P, and your email address. The new membership numbers have been emailed to all reps and members. Use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for a member. You can search on all or part of a name. You don't need to use wildcard symbols. The search will return the best match based on what you enter. Use a combination of the information you have, such as surname or workplace. You can also use this search bar to search for other records, such as workplace. Click through the search result to access the member record. An Email Member button will be placed at the top right of this screen. You'll be able to click that to email a member with instructions on registering for PCS Digital. They'll then be able to update their own information using self-service. You can transfer a member via the My Branch Admin drop-down at the top of the screen, then clicking Member Transfer Management. Select up to 3 search criteria using the drop-downs, such as surname shown here. Once you've found the member, tick the box to the left of their record to select it, and then click Transfer Member. Clicking Transfer Member brings up the Quick Action box. Click the X to activate each search field, then find the employer first, then the workplace, and finally the work unit if applicable. Then click Update Transfer. Transfers outside a branch will generate a case for membership to approve. This works in a similar way to member transfer. Find and select an activist in the same way, then click Update. Alternatively, you could remove all positions, for example if an activist has left employment, by clicking Remove All. When you click Update, it will call up the Position Assignment box. If you want to add a position, select it in the left box and then use the right arrow to move it into the right box. To remove a position, do the opposite. Select the position in the right-hand box and click the left arrow to remove it. The button below the left-hand box can be switched on to make the person a distributor. To save the changes, click Next. Clicking Next will bring up the box shown here. If no contact email or phone is listed, you'll need to enter either one of those here. For distribution address, you can copy the workplace address across and save. If the activist has also been made a distributor, you will then be prompted to enter a quantity of leaflets that they would receive. You can download a membership list via My Branch Admin as shown. Go to Reports and then click on Membership List. Click Export at the top right of the screen and then select either Formatted Report or Details Only. The formatted report is a report as you see it on screen in PCS Digital. The Details Only report is only the detail rows, so you'll be able to do other functions in Excel such as filter down the data and do further calculations.